Here's a mistake I see all the time. Developers use map when they should use for each, or worse, they expect map to modify the original array. Let's fix that. The first thing to understand about map is that it never touches your original array. Instead, it creates and returns a completely new array. Look at this example. We have an array of numbers. When we call map to double each value, the original array stays exactly the same. Map gives us a brand new array with the transformed values. This immutability is a core principle in functional programming and prevents unexpected side effects in your code. So how does map actually work? It takes a callback function as its argument, then iterates through every element in your array and applies that callback. The callback receives 3 arguments: the current element, the index of that element, and the entire array itself. Most of the time you'll only need the element, but having access to the index and array gives you powerful flexibility. Whatever your callback returns becomes the corresponding element in the new array. Here's a key guarantee. The array that map returns will always have exactly the same length as the original. 1-to-1 correspondence. If you start with 5 elements, you'll end with 5 elements. This is different from filter, which can return fewer elements, or flat map, which can return more. Let's see a real-world example. Say you're building a product catalog and you need to extract just the names and prices from an array of product objects. Map is perfect for this. You pass a callback that takes each product and returns a new object with only the fields you need. Clean, readable, and functional. The original products array remains untouched, and you've got your transform data ready to display. Remember, map transforms arrays by applying a function to each element, always returning a new array of the same length without modifying the original. Master this pattern and you'll write cleaner, more predictable JavaScript. Now go practice with map in your own code. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.